Hello guys, this is Homeless Film Productions here. Welcome back to another video. Now, this video, my opinion, will be a important video. So by looking at the thumbnail, by looking at the title, you see that it says, spiders. Yeah, it says spiders. So me, along with the Cat 67 and VM Indiana-EAS. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. We are teaming up to remaster EAS Scenario. I forgot what it's called, but I know it starts with the letter A. Like it's like Arachnophobia or something. Arachnophobia. I don't know. But yeah. So the thing is, I'm also working with Water Fanatic Productions with Alter Ego at the same time too, which would make my job even more busier. Alright, so I will update you when we release the trailer. I will update you when Alter Ego is released. Yeah, so Freezing Earth will not come until a long time, like probably won't even come out till April, maybe even May. In the Mortal Kombat EAS Scenario, you have to wait even longer for that to come. Alright, so subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and I'll see you